Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick. No water. I actually left my water on my deep freezer, man. I'm not about to go get it, so y'all know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. First off, let me just say how much appreciative I am of all my YouTube subscribers, of everybody who watches my videos every single day. Everyone who likes, shares, leave a comment, man, it means the world to me. Y'all know I leave my email address. I leave my social media access. I have a lot of y'all who hit me up, say, hey, I just watched the video. You inspired me. Hey, I just watched the video. I want to join. Hey, I watched the video. Can I get a point? Whatever the case, man, I really appreciate you all. And, it doesn't, I don't take it lightly. You know what I'm saying? I don't take it lightly. Because you can watch any video in the world, but you also got the time to like my video, love my video, share, comment, concerns, whatever the case, man. I just really appreciate it. So let's get right to it, right? Y'all see what I'm doing right now, man. I'm on Facebook, doing my usual. But I say, you know what? I need to share with you all, what I got going on, man. We are still definitely making money with myEcon. We are gearing up and getting ready for the fourth quarter, but we are still in the third quarter. This is the last month of the third quarter. It's actually October 9th. About to be October 10th here within a few minutes. I'm up late night getting some work in, but I want to show you all some proof, man. I've been grinding so hard and just getting a lot of stuff in the works, man. Just offline, like I'm not just online with my stuff, man. I'm offline too, and so I've been working with business partners, man, and just getting some stuff together, man, to get prepared for this fourth quarter season. Because if you know about internet marketing, all right, and direct sales, anything online, man, the fourth quarter is our season. Okay, the fourth quarter and the first quarter, like, it's prime time to be involved in this business. Really, I'm gonna be real. This is a myEcon video, but any internet niche right now, all right, you can win if it's online. Okay, because a lot of people are online looking to make some extra money. Why? The holiday season. Okay, it's the holiday season. All right, now listen, you can go join anything you want to. You need to come over here to where it's where the product pretty much sells itself. Okay, and make you some easy money. For the holiday season. But honestly and truly, just being real, like, everyone should be online right now trying to make some money, because that's where everyone's going to be for the holiday season. And of course, you all know about the first quarter, man. That's tax season. A lot more people are willing to invest because they got a little bit more money. It's not much of a sacrifice, if you will, all right, to make the investment, because they got it. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to, take out of there. They don't want to stop eating the fast food right now. They don't want to take away from their fast food right now, but when they got a few extra thousand in their account, yeah, I go ahead and invest. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you get some that are serious and they're really working, and then a lot of times you get people who just join, don't do nothing, end up quitting. Nah, this not working. Nah, you got all this money that you sitting on from income tax and you're not working. But that's for another video, y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on here real quick. So we're definitely still growing, man. Right now, I'll just show you the year to date where I am. Every week, the income is coming in every Friday. It's been lovely. Okay, so if I scroll down here, right now we're at $2,253.86. Okay, myEcon, $2,000, $253.86. All right, using my cell phone, using my smartphone, make money. As y'all can see, I told you I was 1124. So y'all see I ain't playing. Simple. You know what I'm saying? Selling the product that everyone needs and wants. Okay, y'all know what myEcon is, right? We have the credit restoration, right? We have the income shifting method, helping people get raised. I got people right now. Let me show y'all something real quick, okay? We actually getting real results. Here I can. One of my business partners messaged me not too long ago, but I shared it. Excuse me, I shared his story on my Facebook, but I'd rather just go to the messages than have to scroll down my Facebook, man, because I market consistently on my social media platform. All right. But this was awesome when he sent this to me, man. I was like, whoa. Here you go. Let's give y'all some real proof real quick, man. So he said, just did this from my phone. Oh, no, not that one. September 2nd, okay? Today's September 9th. I'm going to click on this so you all can see it real time. Give it just a second. 751. You have excellent credit. All right? Excellent credit. Check this out. He said, I did it. I'm only 25 with excellent credit. I said, congrats, bro. Let's go. All right. For people who are just watching this for the first time, there's going to be a link below. Okay. myEcon is the personal financial success company. We are helping people, fix their credit. Okay. It's a do-it-yourself credit repair system. A lot of people are asking, hey, okay, so I get involved in this credit, so they're going to do the credit for me. No, it's a do-it-yourself credit repair system. It's step-by-step videos. All he did was follow the videos, step by step by step by step. And he now has a 750 credit score. And he told me, he said, bro, I'm working to get to an 800 credit score. I told him, man, you are so ahead of so many 25-year-olds that I know. All right, even myself, when I was 25, I was like, man, the thing about it is, it's not that a lot of us may have had bad credit, but a lot of us just didn't have no credit. And then as we got a little older, okay, we probably made some mistakes. And then, your credit start dropping. But a lot of us had no credit at all. All right. From the jump, we all knew cash is king, and that's just what we've been. That's just how we've been brought up. But times have definitely changed. Okay, you can't even get a job now if you don't have a certain credit. All right, you definitely can't go get the car you want. If your credit is not up to par. So this is it. The 750 credit plan membership course. You go through these lessons, okay, step by step. That's all you have to do. Follow the videos. All right, follow the videos. You also can get in this thing and you can sell it a la carte. My auntie, she doesn't want to do the business. She just wants the credit. So, I'm going to sell her, the credit portion by itself. All right, still receive a commission. There's so many ways to win. All right, we also got the income shifting method. All right, this right here is going to show you how to, the IRS basically saying that 80% of Americans, all right, are overpaying on their taxes. All right, this is the secrets of the wealthy. People, they don't want you to know this. All right, but myEcon said we're going to show you all how to eliminate debt and how to get that money now versus trying to wait until January, February, March. You know what I'm saying? You can use that money to invest. All right, instead of accruing all this debt because you're overpaying on your taxes. That's your money. You should get it now. All right, so we're going to show you how to do that and give yourself a raise. I have business partners that have done that. Let me just go to one real quick. Because I have several who on the team who have basically income shifted, but this is the most recent one. One of my team members. I'm so proud of her because she went ahead and shot a video. She was a little nervous about doing videos, but she put out like, your testimony is amazing, and people are going to want to hear that and see that it's real, and that they can actually give themselves a raise without speaking to the boss. Okay, and so this is exactly what she did, man. And so I'm extremely proud of her. But I'm just trying to give you all some proof, man. This is what I do. I'm on Facebook all day long, man. If you have a Facebook account, all right, and you're not making money with it, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? There are millions being made on Facebook every single month. You need your piece of the pie. So give me just a second. I know I don't have to scroll too much, but anytime I'm doing these videos, the loading process is give me just a second. All right, and I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on here. Okay, and I just actually shared her post, so good. I can see myself coming up. 1 second. And at any time when you're watching this video, go ahead, and if you're ready to rock and roll, before you join though, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay posted to what we have going on. All right, but listen, that's what I said. Seeing is believing. Watch this proof video. So proud of my PNF business partner, Desiree. She used one of the strategies within our program and gave herself a raise. Okay, and she did a video about it. Amazing, man. She said, do you need a raise? Watch this video to see how I gave myself a raise with this awesome opportunity. A must see. Proof. Okay, this is all you all have to do. Listen, myEcon has been the most simplest and easygoing conversation I've ever had to have when sharing this business opportunity with someone. All right, and like I said, the average individual can come in and win. You do not have to have experience. Okay, you don't need any certain skills. Okay, to promote this business. You don't have to be an internet guru to promote this business. So don't believe all the hype and all the fluff, man. Don't listen. You don't have to have a name. You don't have to have a large organization and know all these people. All you gotta do is come and use the product. You all, if she doesn't make a sale alone, this product, this myEcon has already helped her give her an extra $100 to $200 on each check just because of the income shifting method. All right, I had another business partner that shared his testimony, and he was just so hyped about it. He just kept on telling me, "I'm going to do this, going to do this. I can't wait to see what it looks like." And his first check, I believe it was like $90 to $100 raise that he had on his check. All right, and he actually worked less hours. All right, he compared the two checks where he had 80 hours and he had another check he had like 79 hours, and an hour difference, but still had an extra $100 on his check. Come on. All right, what are you all waiting for? Okay, so like I said, man, the link is below. We look forward to partnering with you. Once you do join, you'll be getting added to my private Facebook training group, which is the PNF myEcon training group. All right, it's a secret group on Facebook. You can't find it. It's by access only. All right, this is it right here, Team PNF myEcon. We're going to add you to our private Facebook training group. All right, there you're going to receive additional live training and support. You're also going to receive my fully loaded training website. All right, we're going to get you set up, rocking, and rolling so you can start your business today. Okay. The ball is in your court. What are you going to do? It's time to get started. You are, like I said, we are in the last month of the third quarter. It's imperative to get involved now. All right, so you can get involved with this fourth quarter wave that's happening. It is a fourth quarter wave that is about to happen. It never fails. Every single year it happens. Listen, I've been involved with network marketing now for almost 5 years. Come September 23rd, it'll be 5 years for me. All right, I'm telling you now, I've been full time from home for the past 2 years. All right, December 26, 2018 will be 3 years full time from home. All right, and this part of the season is winning season. Okay, so I'm telling you now, go ahead, get involved, lock your spot, come in, meet the PNF family. All right, we're not a team over here, man. We are a family. Meet the PNF family, okay? And we're going to show you what to do, how to do it, man. You come in and win. But you have to take the first step. And another thing, don't get in this thing and feel like you just don't. This is mind-boggling to me. I really don't get it when people join the business and do nothing. You can't get in the business. You can't get in this business and do nothing because you're not going to make any money. It's like getting a job. You're going to go get the job, but then they tell you, okay, you sit down at the cubicle. You're just not going to answer any phone calls. All right, you're just not going to do nothing. They finna kick your butt out the door. You're not finna make any money. They finna fire you. Same for your business. You got to put in some work. All right, we're going to show you how to work smart, not hard. But the common denominator is work. It's work required no matter what you do. If you feel like you're just not going to do anything, you don't want to work at all, I'm sorry. You know, welcome to adulthood. You got to put some work in. But we're working on the internet. We're working from our smartphones. We're working from our laptops. Easy. Your situation should be your motivation. You know what you need. You know what you want. All right. You know you need to change. What are you going to do about it? All right. You have to do something about it, man. So listen, I'm looking for winners. No whiners, complainers, no quitters. All right. Winners win, losers lose, and quitters quit. I'm looking for winners. Where you at? All right, and I'm looking for coachable people. You don't have to know anything about the internet at all. It's totally fine. As long as you are coachable, you good to go, man. I will embrace you. All right, bring you on as my brother, as my sister. Like I said, we family over here, and we're going to rock and roll, and I'm going to show you what to do and how to do it, man. I will see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.